Today I'll be reviewing these two pairs of earrings. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and take a look at these earrings. As you can see, they come in a little plastic case just like this. Let me go ahead and open it up. Take a look. These are perfect for yourself or for a gift, especially with the holidays right around the corner. They do provide alcohol pads, so you could just make sure and clean the earring and your ear before applying the earrings to your ear. It does come with two alcohol pads. So let me go ahead and show you the earrings now. They do come in this little baggie just like this. So the two pairs of earrings are in here. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out individually to show you what they look like. These earrings are available in a variety of colors. I have the black ones here. Take a look. Super, super cute earrings. These two right here. Let me show you the other ones. These are definitely my favorite. They're little heart earrings, as you could see. Super nice. And like I mentioned, they are available in a variety of colors. Let me show you what the back part looks like. It does have like this little rubber tip, so you want to go ahead and remove that one. And it is like a butterfly style for the back. Super, super cute. Very nice dainty earrings. So let me go ahead and try them on. Check it out. Super cute, very nice small earring. Overall, if you're looking for some cute studded earrings, I would definitely recommend